It's the snow. Y'all hear that hail? It's the snow they promised. Another bird. Why they out? Why them birds out? Thought they supposed to be out last night. I'm finna go back in now. That ice cold.